Hello and welcome to this week's edition of the Farm Manager Minute. My name is Casey Watson and I'm with First Mid Ag Services out of our Peoria, Illinois office. For the first time in a couple falls, we are on pace for a timely harvest. This has allowed some additional time to get some farm maintenance work done that has not been able to be completed the last few seasons with the drawn-out harvest and uncooperative weather. On this farm, we have decided to do some maintenance on a waterway in need of some repair. Excessive rainfall the last couple years has been hard on drainage pathways and this waterway in particular. We worked with our local soil and water conservation district within the county and a local contractor to get this waterway reshaped and restored so that now water will flow correctly where it needs to go. We were also able to get some cost share assistance with the available funds to help get this project completed. For more videos and future updates, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.